Welcome to Vitalflow Reviews. Hey, my name is Tony and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. Before proceeding to the review, if you decide to buy Vitalflow, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. Millions of working men struggle to cope with daily life because of the difficulties caused by prostate and related bladder problems. The frequent restroom breaks and inability to perform sexually affects both their social and personal life adversely. These difficulties affect one's overall personality and confidence adversely. What is Vitalflow? Due to lifestyle inadequacies and dietary problems, prostate problems and benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is becoming increasingly common even among young men. It is a highly disabling condition that affects their regular functioning and personal life adversely. The Vitalflow supplement is a blend of plant extracts that acts as a dietary supplement and improves prostate health. It claims to help reduce BPH symptoms and relieve the user of difficulties like incontinence and ejaculation pain. The pills are non-GMO, non-allergic, and vegetarian. The formula and the tablets' results are said to be based on stringent scientific testing and research. As per Vitalflow reviews, the supplement claims to work by a multi-level approach. They act by targeting the two leading causes of prostate problems, which are DHT, dihydrotestosterone, and inflammation. The different ingredients involved in the composition of the pills are responsible for these other actions. On one level, they prevent the buildup of DHT and remove the excess of it from the body. On the other hand, the blood oxygen level and blood circulation towards the prostate glands are also improved. This not only removes the buildup toxins but also helps one feel relieved of urination. The person may also feel increased sex drive and pleasure during ejaculation, unlike before. It also provides an overall boost in immunity and wellness by removing harmful pathogens. The ingredients form a unique blend that is scientifically proven to prevent the buildup of DHT. These ingredients were chosen after carefully testing over 144 natural ingredients. The combination of some components is also carefully curated to enhance each other's effects and become more potent. They also remove other harmful toxins that cause inflammation in the prostate glands. Thereby, the distressing symptoms associated with BPH can be reduced naturally. Vitalflow ingredients. As said earlier, the Vitalflow supplement includes 100% natural plants and herbs. The product does not contain any toxins or chemical substances that may harm your health. The primary Vitalflow ingredients involved to tackle prostate problems are palmetto berry. Palmetto berries are commonly used to improve prostate health, balance hormone levels, and prevent hair loss in men. It also decreases inflammation and improves urinary function. Japanese mushroom trio. It is one of the primary ingredients that remove excess DHT. Japanese mushroom trio has shown better results in preventing and treating cancer and other health conditions. It also has a positive impact on overall immunity and is rich in antioxidants. Cat claws. It is responsible for cleansing the blood and removing harmful toxins to boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Cat claws is used to treat a variety of health conditions including viral infections, cancer, arthritis, peptic ulcers, and leaky bowel syndrome. Tomato fruit powder. It is antibacterial and fortifies the effects of cat claw extract. Tomato includes all three antioxidants, beta-carotene, vitamin E, and vitamin C. They are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many other health benefits. Pygeum africanum bark. It is antifungal and enhances overall prostate health. It also treats symptoms of enlarged prostate and prostate cancer. Also used for pain caused by inflammation and to increase sexual desire. Natural green tea and broccoli leaf extracts. They are excellent in tissue restoration when used in combination. Green tea can help you lose weight and reduce your risk of several diseases including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Nettle root. It reduces prostate enlargement directly by restoring tissue health. Also, it contains many nutrients that may reduce inflammation and aid blood sugar control. Red raspberry extract. It boosts sex drive and enhances libido, especially in combination with nettle root. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects that may reduce your risk of chronic diseases, diabetes, obesity, and cancer. Vitamin E, vitamin B6, and selenium. They are an anti-DHT combination that prevents its buildup. Vitamin E functions as an antioxidant and keeps your blood vessels dilated and prevent clots from forming in your blood vessels. Vitamin B6 is effective in improving your mood and symptoms related to depression. Selenium acts as an antioxidant that helps prevent mental decline and boosts your immune system. Zinc, copper, and plant sterol complex. It rejuvenates bladder health and solves symptoms like incontinence. Zinc has a positive effect on arousal and maintaining an erection. Copper boosts your immune system and assists in collagen production. Plant sterols are effective in lowering cholesterol levels and are even used for weight loss. The supplement is a carefully created mixture of 34 natural ingredients scientifically proven to treat BPH effectively. These ingredients were selected with caution to reduce possible side effects that usually follow prostate health medicines. Vitalflow benefits. The unique ingredients mentioned above in this Vitalflow review are blended in a specific ration in order to form a natural and proprietary blend, Vitalflow supplement. This blend assures the following benefits with consistent use: significant relief from BPH symptoms and other prostate health conditions, improved bladder health and tissue rejuvenation near the prostate area. Overall immunity is boosted by the removal of harmful toxins and pathogens. It improves sex life and libido. One can regain their lost confidence and productivity with better social and personal functioning. Significantly reduces the inflammation caused by the raging prostate gland. The antioxidant effect of Vitalflow ingredients help prevent cancer cells, prevent infection, give better reproductive health. Therefore, Vitalflow pills seem to give an overall boost to one's daily functioning and personal life. Vitalflow side effects, dosage and how to use it. Based on the reviews given by consistent product users, Vitalflow side effects are significantly low to none. The natural ingredients are also clinically tested to be safe for daily use and processed in most sophisticated labs that assure high-quality standards. Most users reported a significant improvement in their overall functioning and immunity after using the product regularly. However, it is safe to consult a doctor before use if one has any pre-existing condition or is on any other medication type. The standard dosage recommended for the supplement is 2 capsules per day, preferably in the morning with water. Vitalflow pills are safe to use for men above the age of 20 who suffer from any kind of prostate health condition. A higher dose than the standard prescription is not recommended. Children and women should also not consume these pills. How does Vitalflow work? The Vitalflow supplement is a formula that claims to be developed after testing 144 natural ingredients clinically for significant results. The resultant formula and its effectiveness is hence a matter of science rather than a magical output. Therefore, its effect would also not occur overnight or in a matter of a few days. Tissue rejuvenation and reduction of gland inflammation can only be reduced gradually. Thus, the pills would also require supportive diet plans and a healthy lifestyle to bring out meaningful body results. How long does it take for prostate supplements to work? Based on the Vitalflow customer reviews and the scientific research findings, the supplement would take at least a month or 2 to bring about its entire spectrum of body changes. Consistent use for about a 3-month time should show significant improvement in one's prostate health and reduce symptoms. However, for best results, it is necessary to keep oneself healthy otherwise also. This includes having a regular exercise routine, eating healthy, and keeping the mind low on stress. How long would the results stay? One cannot decide if Vitalflow is effective or not by just a month of use. This is primarily because natural ingredients take time to bring about changes in the body tissues and work. However, users of the product report that whatever improvement the supplement has caused, it stayed for long. When the supplement is used consistently for at least a period of 3 months at the least, the changes brought about would last for up to a year or more. For a sustained improvement, it is recommended to continue the use for a more extended period. Given that it is not a prescription drug, there should be no embarrassment in purchasing the product and consuming it as a regular dietary supplement. Vitalflow reviews. Final words. The Vitalflow pills offer an alternate, natural relief to prostate health conditions. The plant-based ingredients are scientifically proven to be effective. Several user reviews also vouch for the effectiveness of the product. There are also no significant side effects reported for the supplement so far. The pills act on the body in a systematic, multi-level approach by preventing DHT buildup and removing excess DHT. Further, it also rejuvenates prostate tissues to reduce inflammation and damage to bladder tissues. Additionally, the antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant ingredients remove toxins from the body and boost immunity. Thereby, overall bladder and prostate health is improved. The pills also have a positive effect on improving one's sex drive and libido. Compared to the regular prescription drugs used for prostate problems, this supplement seems affordable and harmless in the long run, giving lasting relief. Above all, the company also offers a 60-day full refund that safeguards the money paid for any purchase. Therefore, there is little risk involved in trying Vitalflow supplements significantly if prostate problems have severely affected your normal functioning. Remember, Vitalflow can only be purchased from their official website. You will find the link in the description below this video. Thank you for taking the time to get more info before getting the Vitalflow reviews.